Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're with Haron, one of the organizers for the Nmbt tournament. Haron, the tournament just got started a little bit late. A couple of the refs are running a little late, but alhamdulillah, looks great. We have the Punjabi Panthers and the Demons playing game one.
Correct.
So this is the first Nmbt tournament. What do you feel going into this tournament? What are you guys looking to accomplish into this tournament so far?
Well, first of all, we want to say that we've been doing it locally for the last 8 years. Nmbt was running under a different name, but now it's national. So we decided to take on the name of National Muslim Basketball Tour. Again, our initiative is to make a Muslim Basketball Tour which nationally tours the whole country. And as you know, this is the inaugural tournament, which is the kickoff to the tour. With myself and brother Haron and Hamad from Kansas City, we've been thinking about doing this for the last 6 or 8 months. And alhamdulillah, so far successful. We have a lot of teams who are interested in different regions, which we honestly didn't think would be in the beginning, but now alhamdulillah they are. So as of right now, we're just looking to expand and just making this one successful tournament, inshallah.
Inshallah. Now, the Nmbt, the whole process started when you guys were doing local tournaments here in Illinois.
Correct.
Why do you feel, or when did you start feeling that it would be good enough to start expanding to different areas?
Well, we started talking about it, like I said, about 6 or 8 months ago, when we had a few teams coming from different states that actually wanted to play in our tournament. And we actually had teams coming from Canada, from New York, and California. So what we decided to do is, instead of having teams, a few teams coming to us, we decided to take our tournament to them, and this way we expand and bring more teams to the tournament. And as you know, we do have a championship tournament at the end of the year, which invites the top teams from each region. And at the end, we can honestly say that the best Muslim basketball team is the winner, because we did give everyone an option to actually play against each other.
All right, alhamdulillah. All right, Haron, jazakallah khair for your time. We'll be staying in touch with you, and inshallah, best of luck throughout this tournament.
Thank you. Jazakallah khair.